Introduce the pod name is called apomixis. Apomixis in introduction. Majorly the meiosis, seed development site, seed development time, seed development time in involved majorly Wobels that implement complete after the development complete after converted seed that converted seed development complete after that location area in environment factors observed complete after environment factors observed complete after same observed complete after directly germinate complete after that are converted to independent plant. These are plant germinate mechanism that germinate complete after first root improvement, shoot improvement, again leaf improvement, again leaf organs, leaf branches improvement complete after inflorescence improvement. Inflorescence to converted flower to converted flower to converted flower organs that are gynoism, androism involved fertilization or pollination method complete after seed produced plant is seed development, fruit produced plant is fruit development. That fruit development complete after that again that ending that pod name is called seed again that seed again that environment factors involved after converted new independent plant organism. These are plant germinate mechanism that generate mechanism. Now generate mechanism in that introduced pod name is called apomixis in that apomix development time involved compulsory cell division method in meiosis process. Cell division method, these are divided two types. That first one mitosis process, meiosis process. That reproductive organs improvement time or development time involved. That mechanism name is called meiosis cell division. Again, meiosis cell division involved after that fertilization complete after that converted seed. These are food compound preparation pot or food storage preparation pot. These are apomixis introduction pot. Now apomixis time involved. Meiosis process. Again, might some topics involved mitosis process. Apomixis in majorly involved meiosis process, another mitosis process, fertilization complete after seed improvement. That mechanism or that apomixis development time involved two methods. That first method name is called vegetative propagation method. Again, second method name is called agamospore method. Vegetative propagation time. Apomixis in the first development, first year involved that pod name is called vegetative propagation. These are do not involve seed. Again, one plant pot involved after same model new plant improvement. That new plant improvement time that development that mechanism that pod name is called vegetative propagation method. These are vegetative propagation time involved plant organs, bulbs, runners, suckers. These are involved after new plant organ improvement. That new plant organ that method name is called vegetative propagation. Best example jasmine plant. Another best example hibiscus plant. Another best example Allium plant, another best example Gingiberaceae plant, another best example Gingiberaceae plant, another best example Fistia plant, another best example Iconium plant, another best example Bryophyllum plant, another best example Bryophyllum plants, another best example another one also some plant also have. These are converted new plant organism that do not involve meiosis process, do not involve mitosis process, that are involved in vegetative pot involved after, that model bulk model, bulk model, runner model, another runner pot, another sucker pot, another corn pot, corn mean pasu komu, okay na, turmeric komu, that are another banana plant, Musa faradaceae plant. These are directly vegetative pot involved after same model new plant organism, because that plant organism, that formation, that method name is called propagules. That pot name is called propagules. These are information of hypomixis. First introduced pot name is called vegetative propagation method. Again, now method, another method. Agamospore is involved mother cell. That mother cell means micro mother cell involved in meiosis process involved after same model. One cell involved after two cell converted two cell organism, two cell involved after four cell organism, four cell involved after eight cell organism. Finally, many number of cells involved new plant organism development, because that identify the name is called agamospore method. The name is called agamospore method. These are divided two types. That first type name is called apomictic plants, and the second type name is called adventitive embryo. First type name is called apomictic plant, and the second type name is called adventitious embryo. Now these are general information of agamospore method. Again, apomictic plants involve the compulsory micro mother cell. That micro mother cell involved after same model new